when you do open houses, I mean, if you haven't invested in yourself, my first investment was, and is recommended, you get 20 open house signs and you put your face on them. Okay. You can borrow ones from your brokerage. That's fine. But you are your brand, not your brokerage. And the idea is to pepper these neighborhoods. I mean, 20 of them all over this area to where it's like annoying to the neighbors, but you do it consistently. If you do 2 or 3 of these a week for a couple of weeks, pretty much you're synonymous. You are the expert in that area, and they recognize your face if you couple it with door knocking. You are effectively a mobile billboard. So yeah, you're going to spend probably about $1,000, so maybe borrow it from your dad. That's what I did. I paid him back after my first deal, which I got through an open house doing this. And again, you just become synonymous. You are the real estate king in that area because they see your face, annoyingly so, for just months on end, as long as you just continue to do open houses. And you can call around and ask, just, hey, can I do this open house? You're going to get ignored, but more often than not, you do it 20 times, you're going to get some listings. And if you just hone in on a certain area, you will crush it.
Okay. On that note, holy hell, I love it. He's so passionate.
I know, right?
Not here. Mike's passion, and he's always had this. Like, this has been the fire inside of Michael all the time. 24. I think he sleeps with intent.
Right? Agreed.